thousands of teachers across the planet to teach yoga as it should be taught in its classical form, because this is not an exercise for the cosmic dimension, so that you are a perfect receptor of everything that's worth knowing. From within, how can you not engineer yourself to perfection? Inner engineering essentially means to where all the faculties of being human works for you.
Register for Inner Engineering and its 7 steps live. Sadhguru Exclusive is a unique video streaming platform.
These materials are things we have spoken in close groups. They are very